Credit cards can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Used wisely, they build your credit score and give rewards. But used wrongly, they trap you in debt. Before you swipe that card, you need to understand one thing. Credit cards are not free money. Every dollar you spend is a loan you must pay back, usually with interest if you delay. Use your card only for purchases you can afford to pay back in full each month. That's how you build credit without falling into debt. Never just pay the minimum amount due. It keeps you stuck in debt and adds huge interest over time. Credit card rewards are great, but only if you pay your balance in full. Otherwise, interest cancels out the benefits. Using credit cards responsibly helps build your credit score, which makes it easier to get loans, rent apartments, or even land better jobs. The biggest mistakes are only paying the minimum balance, overspending, and ignoring due dates. These habits trap you in debt. To win with credit cards, pay the full balance each month. Set up autopay. And use rewards for things you already buy. Using credit cards wisely builds your credit score, which unlocks better loans, rentals, and even job opportunities. The biggest mistakes are maxing out your card, missing payments, and ignoring fees. Avoid these and you'll stay stress-free. Used wisely, credit cards offer rewards, cashback, and travel points. These perks make your spending work for you. Credit cards can be your best financial tool or your worst enemy. Use them smartly, pay on time, and watch your credit score and rewards grow. Stay disciplined, and you'll stay debt-free. Thanks for watching. For more smart money tips and budgeting hacks, subscribe to Broke to Boss.